Jump on. You're good.
I was going way too fast.
That's okay. Jump on. You're all good. Jump on.
What happens when you go that fast?
Nothing. You just fly off sometimes. Hey, you're okay. You're okay. Honey, you're okay. I promise. Okay?
It hurt really bad.
Yeah, that's okay. Stuff hurts sometimes. You're okay. I love you so much. What are you trying to do? Break my hand? I knew you were gonna go fast, but not that fast.
I just wanted to win and beat you.
I get that. Well, now's a good time to go, so I'm not even on my bike yet.